Explore our range of tool posts and rests in the Axminster Woodturning tool rest system and discover how to get the best out of your tool rest. We offer a choice of different rests for different uses and numerous post sizes, helping you adjust the height and fit of your lathe, making turning a range of projects a breeze. Mix and match the tool post size and the rest length and build the rests you need to suit the job in hand. Not only can you put together the right rest for your project, but the interchangeable system means that you can adapt and move your tool rest from lathe to lathe. The round bar design allows easy movement along the tool rest. It provides great access, allowing you to get up close to the project. The posts and rests are made in the UK from high quality stainless steel, which provides long lasting, durable, it doesn't flex like cast iron, it won't rust, making it a long term investment. This easy to use interchangeable system also makes for an affordable solution for the turner who requires numerous tool rests. Additional accessories are available in the Axminster Woodturning tool rest system. These include collars, tool post stops, a mounting plate, helping you transform your lathe and meet all your turning needs. The tool rest stops prevent your chisels falling off the end of the tool rest, or they can be positioned along the bar to give you a repeat stop. Explore the Axminster Woodturning tool rest system today and get the best rest for the job in hand.